Welcome back to Bike Zone Official, the channel where we explore motorcycles that are built for real riders and real terrain. In today's video, we take a detailed look at the 2026 Yamaha TW200, a legendary dual-sport motorcycle that continues to stand out for its simplicity, reliability, and go-anywhere attitude. Known for its fat tires and easygoing nature, the TW200 remains one of the most approachable bikes for both beginners and experienced riders who want stress-free adventure. A timeless dual-sport icon, the Yamaha TW200 has earned a cult following over the years, and the 2026 model stays true to that heritage. Instead of chasing high horsepower or complex electronics, Yamaha focuses on usability, durability, and rider confidence. The TW200 is a bike that feels just as comfortable on back roads and trails as it does in city streets and rural environments. It's designed for riders who value freedom and practicality over outright speed. Engine and power delivery. Powering the 2026 Yamaha TW200 is a proven air-cooled single-cylinder engine tuned for reliability and smooth power delivery. This engine is not about speed, it's about control. Throttle response is predictable and forgiving, making the bike easy to ride in tight spaces, on loose terrain and at low speeds. The engine's low-end torque allows riders to crawl over obstacles and cruise comfortably without constantly shifting gears. Yamaha's engineering ensures long engine life with minimal maintenance, making the TW200 ideal for new riders and long-term ownership. Transmission and riding feel. The TW200 features a simple 5-speed transmission that pairs perfectly with the engine's relaxed power curve. Gear changes are smooth and well-spaced, allowing riders to adapt easily to different riding conditions. Whether you're climbing a dirt trail or riding through town, the gearbox feels intuitive and easy to manage. The clutch pull is light, reducing fatigue during slow riding or long days in the saddle. This friendly riding feel is a major reason why the TW200 continues to be recommended as a beginner-friendly dual sport. Unique fat tire setup. One of the most distinctive features of the Yamaha TW200 is its wide, low-pressure tires. These fat tires provide exceptional traction on sand, gravel, snow, and uneven surfaces. For the 2026 model, Yamaha maintains this iconic setup because it simply works. The tires give the bike a planted feel and boost rider confidence, especially for those new to off-road riding. They also absorb small bumps naturally, reducing the need for overly complex suspension systems. Frame and chassis balance. The 2026 TW200 uses a lightweight and durable steel frame designed to handle rough use without sacrificing stability. The chassis geometry keeps the bike balanced and predictable, even when riding at low speeds or on tricky terrain. Its compact size and low seat height make it easy to maneuver, allowing riders to place their feet firmly on the ground. This inspires confidence and control, especially during trail riding or stop-and-go traffic. Suspension performance. The suspension setup on the TW200 is simple yet effective. With a front telescopic fork and a rear monoshock, the bike handles uneven terrain smoothly. While it's not built for aggressive motocross riding, it performs exceptionally well for trail exploration and casual off-road use. Yamaha tunes the suspension for comfort and stability rather than extreme performance. This makes the TW200 forgiving and enjoyable, even on long rides over mixed terrain. Braking system and safety. Braking duties are handled by a front disc brake and a rear drum brake. This setup provides adequate stopping power for the bike's intended use. The brakes are easy to modulate, giving riders good control on loose surfaces. The simplicity of the braking system also means lower maintenance and greater reliability, which aligns perfectly with the TW200's rugged personality. Design and styling. The design of the 2026 Yamaha TW200 remains classic and functional. Its upright stance, minimalist bodywork, and chunky tires give it a unique visual identity. Yamaha avoids unnecessary styling gimmicks, keeping the bike clean and purpose-built. The compact fuel tank and simple panels make maintenance easy, while the overall design reflects the bike's adventure-ready spirit. Lighting and instrumentation. The TW200 comes equipped with basic yet effective lighting. The headlight provides good visibility for night riding, while the tail light and indicators ensure safety on public roads. The instrument cluster is straightforward, displaying essential information such as speed, mileage, and fuel level. This no-nonsense approach keeps the rider focused on the ride rather than distractions. Comfort and ergonomics. Comfort is one of the TW200's strongest points. The upright riding position reduces strain on the back and wrists, making it suitable for long rides. The wide seat offers decent comfort, especially for a dual-sport motorcycle. The handlebars are positioned for easy control, whether seated or standing on the pegs. This ergonomic setup makes the bike adaptable to different riding styles and terrains. Fuel efficiency and range. Thanks to its small displacement and efficient engine, the 2026 Yamaha TW200 delivers excellent fuel economy. Riders can enjoy long rides without worrying about frequent refueling. The fuel tank capacity may be modest, but the bike's efficiency ensures a respectable range, making it suitable for daily commuting and weekend adventures alike. Off-road capability. Off-road is where the TW200 truly shines. Its fat tires, low weight, and forgiving power delivery make it ideal for trails, dirt roads, and rural landscapes. The bike feels stable and controlled even on loose or uneven surfaces. While it's not designed for extreme off-road racing, it excels in exploration and recreational riding, which is exactly what many riders are looking for. City riding and practical use. In urban environments, the TW200 is surprisingly practical. Its compact size allows easy maneuvering through traffic, and the relaxed engine performance keeps rides smooth and stress-free. The bike's durability also makes it a popular choice for farm use, campus transportation, and everyday commuting in both urban and rural areas. Who should buy the 2026 Yamaha TW200? The 2026 Yamaha TW200 is perfect for beginners, casual riders, and anyone who wants a simple, reliable motorcycle. It's also a great second bike for experienced riders who want something fun and low maintenance. Riders who value ease of use, durability, and versatility will find the TW200 to be a perfect match. Expected pricing and value. Yamaha positions the TW200 as an affordable dual-sport option. While official pricing may vary by region, it continues to offer excellent value for money due to its reliability, low running costs, and proven design. Few bikes in this segment offer the same level of simplicity and long-term dependability. Final thoughts. Bike Zone Official. The 2026 Yamaha TW200 proves that a motorcycle doesn't need advanced electronics or high horsepower to be enjoyable. Its charm lies in its simplicity, confidence-inspiring design, and go-anywhere capability for riders looking for a dependable dual-sport motorcycle that's easy to ride and built to last. The TW200 remains a timeless choice. Stay connected with Bike Zone Official for more motorcycle reviews, comparisons, and the latest updates from the world of two wheels.